Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Language Learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be looking at some of the common conversational phrases that you can use when you meet new people, or when you're going for an interview, or when you are introducing yourself to new people. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first phrase we have, how are you? How are you in Sepedi means yeah. How are you means yeah. The next one we have, my name is. My name is in Sepedi means liina laka ke. My name is liina laka. The next one we have, what is your name? What is your name means liina la gago ke mang. What is your name? Liina la gago ke mang. The next one we have, can you help me? Can you help me in Sepedi means ke kgopela thuso. Can you help me? Ke kgopela thuso. Next one we have, where are you from? Where are you from means o tswa kae. Where are you from means o tswa kae. The next one we have, what do you do? What do you do means o dira eng. What do you do means o dira eng. The next one we have, how old are you? How old are you means o na le mengwaga e mekae. How old are you means o na le mengwaga e mekae. The next one we have, are you married? Are you married means o nyetše. Are you married means o nyetše. Na o nyetše. Are you married? Na o nyetše. The next one we have, do you understand? Do you understand means na wa kwešiša. Do you understand? Na wa kwešiša. The next one have, what day is it today? So what day is it today means ke la bokae lekgolo. What day is it today? Ke la bokae lekgolo. The next one we have, what are your hobbies? What are your hobbies means o rata go dira eng. What are your hobbies? O rata go dira eng. The next one we have, what time is it? What time is it means ke nako mang. What time is it means ke nako mang. The next one we have, can I help you? Can I help you means na nka go thuša. Can I help you? Can I help you means na nka go thuša. So that's it for our today's video. If you have any phrase you'd like to know in Sepedi, please drop it on the comment section. And don't forget to like and to comment and to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.